Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we keep it real about everything beauty related. If you've been struggling to achieve perfectly defined brows, or you're just looking for a pencil that gives you precision without the hassle, then stay tuned. Today we're talking about the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown, a sleek tool that promises a micro-slim tip for the most precise brow application. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This brow pencil is compact, and it packs a punch in its tiny form. We're talking about a pencil so precise it mimics real hair, giving your brows a fuller, natural look. The neutral brown shade is perfect for those with medium to dark brows and can easily be blended for a soft finish. What sets this pencil apart is its micro-slim tip, which offers precision when filling in sparse areas, and the included spoolie on the other end, making brow grooming a breeze. Using this pencil was an absolute treat. I've tested it for a few days now, applying it during both my morning routine and quick midday touch-ups. The pencil's formula is creamy, yet firm enough to hold shape without being too soft or hard. I love how easily it glides on, no tugging or skipping, which can be a huge problem with other brow pencils. And the precision? Spot on. You can really mimic the look of natural hair with short, light strokes, especially around the edges of your brows. The spoolie is the real hero here, though. I've always found that blending is key when it comes to brows, and the spoolie helps to diffuse the product, giving your brows a soft, natural finish. It tames any unruly hairs and helps shape them without overdoing it. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. The first pro is definitely the precision. If you're someone who needs defined brows but doesn't want a harsh line, this pencil nails it. It's creamy, but not so much that it smudges throughout the day. The micro-slim tip gives you control, and the spoolie ensures that you can blend effortlessly. Another strength is the compact, travel-friendly design. It's the perfect size for your on-the-go beauty kit, and it doesn't take up much space, which is always a plus. Plus, e.l.f.'s commitment to vegan and cruelty-free formulas makes it easy to feel good about what you're putting on your skin. On the flip side, the small size of the pencil means you get just 0.0017 aughts of product. That might not last as long if you're someone who fills in your brows regularly, especially with the precision required for detailed applications. The price is affordable, but for some, the size may feel a little too small for daily use. When it comes to value for money, it's hard to beat this pencil. You're getting a high-quality, precise product that's packed with skin-loving ingredients and comes at a budget-friendly price point. I can't say enough how rare it is to find such an effective brow pencil at this price, especially one that's vegan, cruelty-free, and backed by e.l.f.'s commitment to good-for-you beauty. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and sleek. There's nothing fancy here, but it feels solid in hand. As for longevity, the product holds up well throughout the day. My brows stay defined and natural looking for hours, with minimal touch-ups. I wouldn't say it's the most long-wearing brow product I've ever used, but for the price, it performs admirably. As for customer support, I've never had any issues with e.l.f. They've built a solid reputation for responsive service, and based on customer feedback, they seem to be really on top of their game when it comes to handling queries. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other brow pencils out there, but you may have to spend a bit more for the same level of precision and ease. Some high-end brands do offer micro-slim pencils, but you'll find their price significantly higher, and not all of them come with the added bonus of a spoolie, which is a game changer for me. So, unless you're brand loyal to a specific high-end pencil, this e.l.f. one holds its ground quite well. So, what's the final verdict? If you're after a precision brow pencil that delivers natural-looking results, won't break the bank, and is easy to use, then the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown is a solid choice. It's great for everyday wear and can easily be slipped into your purse for quick touch-ups. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've tried this pencil or any other e.l.f. brow products, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.